Welcome, welcome. My name is Balazs and we are here with Acer and the Iconia One10 Android tablet, which is available as an HD or Full HD tablet with two USB ports, which is quite interesting because you can use a USB stick and power at the same time. The keyboard and the mouse will not be inside the box because we have only a price of 169 euros for the HD version and 199 for a Full HD version of this white or black little tablet PC, which has a nice back cover. There is no fingerprints here visible, as you can see when I touch it, and it's really nice because it doesn't slip out of your hand, and you have a really good camera on the front and the back here built in. They have Android 7 running here already, which is running quite nicely and quickly, and also DTS HD audio to the front with two speakers here, a little on and off switch on the top, volume rocker on the side, and also here the micro USB plug for OTG connections, so you can plug in adapters or anything you want, like here a standard USB adapter, which is not inside a box. Here you can charge the device or data transfer also, and you have a headset jack on the left side. Then also on the right side there's nothing, and on the bottom there's also completely nothing, so you can use it easily with this extra available Bluetooth keyboard by Acer, or obviously mice also. If I start up the camera, you will see that the front camera is really good in terms of webcam quality. So it's really fast, and the HD quality is also sufficient. And then on the back we have the same kind of camera. So again, here also pretty good quality for everyday chat experiences, and otherwise, as I mentioned, the speed feels also quite nice, but Android 7.0 is definitely helping this device here with obviously even the latest security patch level, and 2 gigs of RAM built in and 32 gigs of internal memory that you can probably also expand somewhere, but yeah, the micro SD card slot is right here next to the micro USB slot. So this was already it with a really short hands-on of this beautiful Acer tablet, which is called Iconia One10. Till next time, peace, and again, my name is Balazs, so much for watching, and see you guys with more videos on the Comtext 2017.